Good morning, all. Today we are discuss about the topic is nodal analysis. What is node? First of all, what is node? More than two branches are connected at a point is called node. In nodal analysis, we will consider the node voltage with respect to ground. How much amount of voltage drop in each and every nodes, then the reference node. The node analysis also called as nodal voltage method. Nodal analysis also called as node voltage method. Procedure of nodal analysis are given below. Okay, four steps are followed, like as a mesh analysis. First step, what is the what are how many nodes are present in the given circuit. This is the first step. Next, we can choose any one node as a reference node, one node as a reference node. Then we can write the nodal equations. Step 4, solve the equations, we can get nodal voltage. Okay, um, directly we can go with the example. Find the current flowing through 20 ohm resistor of the following circuit using nodal analysis. First step, how many numbers of nodes are present in the circuit. The number of nodes are three nodes are there. First one is like mentioned here, uh, 1 2 and 3. Third node is a reference node. We can choose third node as a reference node. We can write the equation, um, third node as a reference node. Then two nodal equations are present, n minus 1. Capital N is total number of node. We can find out the how many numbers of nodal equations are present in the given problem. Likewise, uh, number of nodal equations equal to n minus 1. Then n mentioned number of nodes 3 minus 1, so we can get two nodal equations. Two nodal equations. First first equation, first node is here v1. We can find out from the node 1 is v1 voltage and v2 voltage from node 2. Okay, so the nodal equation is here, uh, the matrix formation is conductance equal to, okay, the sorry, um, conductance equal to I by R. So the equations can get V by R equal to I. Okay, equal to I. So the matrix formation is um, uh, G into V equal to I. GV into I. G is reciprocal of resistance 1 by R. Reciprocal of resistance 1 by R. Otherwise, the equation is the nodal equations. Right? Likewise, V by R equal to I. We can equate the value in 0. So, V1 minus 20 of in the resistor between the voltages or 5 ohm resistor connected between two voltage sources. One is 20 volt, another one is v1. Now we can take the calculation v1. So v1 is dominated with 20 volt, so v1 minus 20 divided by 5 ohm, v by r. So here v is 2 voltages are there. The difference between the two voltages is drop in a 5 ohm resistor. 5 ohm resistor. So v1 minus 20 divided by 5 plus v1 divided by 10. v1 minus v3 divided by 10. Here v3 is 0, so v1 divided by 10 plus v1 minus v2 divided by 10, and another 10 ohm resistor connected with the two voltage sources. One is v1 and v2. v1 is dominated with v2, so the equation is v1 minus v2 divided by 10 equal to 0. So we can equate that equation, uh, here 2v1 and v1 again v1, so 4v1 minus 40 minus v2 equal to 0. So this is the equation number 1. The nodal equation of second one, here two resistors are connected, another one is current source also present. So minus 4 the current source taken from the left side of right side equation to left side. So minus 4 plus v2 divided by 20, so connected between one voltage source and then current source. So directly we can take minus 4 plus v2 or 4 minus v2 divided by 20 plus v2 minus v1 divided by 10 equal to 0. From this equation we can take 10 is a LCM, so 20 is LCM means minus 80 plus v2 plus 2v2 minus 2v2 divided by 20, so 3v2 minus 2v1 equal to 80. From the node 2 we can get the equation number 2. Okay, by solving the equation 1 and 2 we can get the voltage v1. Okay, equation number 1 in equation number 2. Okay, we then we can get v1 equal to 20 volt. Substitute v1 into equation number 1. Additionally we can get v2 equal to 40 volt. In our question, what is the find current flowing through a 20 ohm resistor, current flowing through a 20 ohm resistor. So now we can we need to find out the current flow in the V2 20 ohm resistor. I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R. In from the 20 ohm resistor connected between the two voltage sources. So V2 and V3. So the current is V2 minus V3 divided by 20 ohm. V2 minus uh, V2 minus V3 divided by 20 ohm. V3 always 0, so V2 divided by R. V2 is 40 volt. We can find out from the nodal equation solvation. Then we can write 40 divided by 20. So I 20 ohm resistor equal to 2 ampere. This is the final solution. So in mesh analysis and nodal analysis are in same, but some procedures, step by step procedure can changed. In mesh equations the mesh analysis matrix is V equal to I into R directly getting from Ohm's law. But in nodal analysis we can get conductance equal to conductance into resistance equal to I equal to V by R. V by R equal to V into 1 by R. The same formula get modified, that's it. Otherwise the procedure of mesh and nodal analysis are same. Thank you.